Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to update value of text entry boxes without losing focus in Storyline 360. First, open your project in Articulate Storyline 360 and navigate to the slide you want to edit. Next, create a new trigger from the Trigger panel. Set the action as Execute JavaScript when the timeline starts on this slide. In the JavaScript, open the JavaScript editor and paste the JavaScript code into the editor window. Make sure the text entry variable is included and click OK. Next, create another trigger that changes the Start button state to normal when the variable changes. Apply a condition to check if the entered text is Start, otherwise, set the Start button state to Disabled and click OK. Preview the course to test the setup. You will see that the Start button switches to normal only when the exact text is entered in the text entry box. If the input does not match, the button stays disabled, and that's it. You successfully learned how to update the value of text entry boxes without losing focus in Storyline 360. Thanks for watching and happy course creating with Articulate Storyline 360.